Hi, Myra. My name is Tisha. You and I spoke yesterday. Thank you so much for taking out time and watching my video. I came across your company when doing research of plumbers in your area, and I wanted to just provide some tips today for increasing your ranking online and getting more traffic to your website. Today we'll be talking about three different areas, one being content, citations, and backlinks. So content is anything that is listed throughout the website. So this could be words, pictures, how the pictures are saved, what's behind the pictures, and videos. Now, in order to increase your ranking through Google, they're looking for at least 1,500 to 2,000 words. Now, by increasing content, you're able to use more keywords. Now, keywords are any words that are used in a search engine to find a certain service or type of company. So the more keywords you use, then people are able to find your website better. The next would be citations. Now, citations are anywhere your business name, phone number, and address are listed. So this could be listed in various areas. So through local directories, yellow pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, Better Business Bureau, Angie's List, and Home Advisor, for example. So the more citations you have, then the more people are able to find your business. Now the goal is to find out how many citations your competitor has and get more citations than they do. Now this is what I found when Googling plumbers in Oakland. So the first thing we see here, these would be companies that are paying to be here or pay per click. The next would be the map pack. Now, the map pack is very important to be here. Generally, people will go directly over to the companies that are listed here, to their website, or call them directly from here. The next will be the Google search. So here we see that Yelp is in the first two here slots. The first company though to rank would be Albert Naaman Plumbing. So this would be your top competitor. If you go down the list here, you see that there are some paid ads listed. Now, I was able to find your company here on the fourth page, and you are ranking 39. So our goal would be to have you on that first page so that people can find your website. I wanted to just show you the Albert Naaman Plumbing website so that you can take a look here. And so they are utilizing quite a bit of content throughout their website here. Okay, so next that we'll look at is going to be Ahrefs. This is a tool that we use to see how your website is doing. It is not 100% accurate, but it will give you a good idea of how the website is doing. So I'm showing that you have 729 backlinks. Now, backlinks are links that are on a website that leads back to your website. Not all backlinks are created equal. You want quality backlinks. So, for example, a backlink coming from a clothing store versus coming from a hardware store is going to bring in different amount of traffic. So the idea is the more backlinks you have, the more traffic you'll have for your website. One thing that we can do is we look at the backlinks that your top competitor has. We use those same backlinks and build them for you to get more traffic. I'm showing that you're using 107 keywords, bringing in about 66 people to your website per month, and with a revenue of about $1,400. Now, these are the keywords that how you're being found. So, of course, your company name, Plumbers Berkeley, Plumber Berkeley, Plumber Oakland, company name, how to unclog urinal drain, Emergency Plumbing Oakland. So just to give you an idea. The next will be the Albert Naaman Plumbing. So they have 1,800 backlinks. They're utilizing 1,600 keywords. They're bringing in 792 people to their website per month and generating 13,000 with that traffic. Now their keywords that how they're being found: garbage disposal repair, their company name, Plumbers Oakland, Plumber Alameda, residential plumbers near me, water boiler repairs, Peace of Mind Plumbing, Richmond Plumbers, just to give you an idea. So I hope that you have enjoyed the tips that I provided. You're welcome to use these tips on your own. If you would like a more in-depth conversation, please give me a call at 916-378-9773. I would like to hear back from you either way, just to provide some feedback on this video and tell me what you think of the tips. Thank you again for taking out time to watch my video, and you have a good day.